Welcome back to Mira's Kitchen. Today, I'm excited to share one of my favorite crispy chicken recipes. Let's make something truly delicious together. Just look at these beautiful honey garlic chicken wings, golden, crispy, and coated in a rich honey garlic glaze. By the end of today's lesson, you'll know exactly how to make them at home. Every great recipe starts with good ingredients. Today we'll begin with fresh chicken wings, salt, black pepper, paprika, and garlic powder. These simple ingredients create the delicious foundation for our crispy wings. To complete our recipe, we'll also need fresh garlic, flour, cornstarch, butter, honey, soy sauce, and cooking oil. Now that everything is ready, let's begin preparing our chicken. Let's start with the most important ingredient, our fresh chicken wings. Always choose fresh, good quality chicken. It makes a big difference in both flavor and texture. Before we season anything, let's give our chicken a proper rinse. Wash every piece carefully, then drain away as much water as possible. A clean start always leads to better cooking. Now let's gently dry every piece. Take your time and remove as much moisture as you can. The drier the chicken, the better the seasoning will stick, and the crispier your wings will become. Now it's time to build our flavor. We'll begin with the salt. Sprinkle it evenly over every piece because every wing deserves to be seasoned properly. Next comes our black pepper. It adds a gentle warmth and brings out the natural flavor of the chicken. Season evenly because every bite should taste just as delicious as the last. Now let's add our paprika. This gives our chicken a beautiful color and a rich, smoky flavor. Take a moment to coat every piece evenly because great flavor starts with even seasoning. Now let's add our garlic powder. This builds a deep, savory flavor that blends beautifully with the other seasonings. Mix gently until every wing is evenly coated, then we'll finish with fresh garlic for even more delicious flavor. Perfect! Our chicken is now fully seasoned. Cover the bowl and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. That waiting time allows every flavor to soak deep into the chicken, making every bite even more delicious. While our chicken is marinating, let's prepare the crispy coating. We'll start by combining flour and cornstarch. This simple mixture is one of the secrets to beautifully crispy chicken wings. Let's season our coating with paprika first. Besides adding flavor, it also gives our crispy coating a beautiful golden color after frying. Mix gently until the color starts looking even. Now let's add our black pepper. It gives our crispy coating a gentle kick of flavor and balances the sweetness. Mix everything until the seasoning is evenly distributed before we add the final ingredient. Our final ingredient is a little salt. Now whisk everything together until the color looks completely even. A well-mixed coating means every chicken wing will fry with the same delicious flavor and beautiful golden crunch. Our chicken has finished marinating, and you can already see how beautifully the flavors have soaked in. Now comes one of my favorite parts, giving every wing its crispy coating. Coat one wing at a time. Gently press the seasoned flour onto every surface instead of rubbing it. That little extra care creates those beautiful crispy ridges after frying. Here's a little chef's secret. Don't press the coating completely flat. Leave those tiny craggy flakes on the surface. They're exactly what create that irresistible crispy crunch after frying. Our chicken is perfectly coated. Heat your oil to 175 gar faf. Too cool turns it soggy. Too hot cooks the outside before the inside. Lower the wings into the oil gently, one at a time. Don't overcrowd the pot. Giving each wing enough space helps them cook evenly and become beautifully crispy on every side. Let the wings fry gently for about 10 to 12 minutes, turning them from time to time. There's no need to rush. Steady heat gives the best results. Our wings are perfectly fried. Always let them drain on a wire rack instead of placing them directly on paper towels. The wire rack allows air to circulate all around the wings, helping them stay wonderfully crispy. Now let's make our honey garlic glaze. We'll begin by melting the butter gently over low heat. Take your time here. We want the butter to melt smoothly without burning, creating the perfect base for our sauce. Now let's add our fresh garlic. Cook it gently for about 1 minute while stirring continuously. You want the garlic to become soft and wonderfully fragrant, but never let it brown, or it may turn bitter. Now it's time for the honey. Pour it in slowly while stirring so it blends smoothly with the butter and garlic. Our glaze is already coming together beautifully. Our glaze is ready, and our wings are perfectly crispy. Now let's bring these two together. Handle the wings gently so we keep every bit of that beautiful crispy coating. Now for the most satisfying moment. Pour the warm honey garlic glaze evenly over the crispy wings. Gently fold the wings through the sauce until every piece is beautiful coated. Presentation is the final touch. Arrange the wings neatly so every piece is easy to serve. Finish with fresh parsley and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Now for the best part. Let's see how it turned out. Listen to that gentle crunch. Crispy on the outside, tender and juicy inside, with the perfect balance of sweet honey and rich garlic. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me today. If you love this recipe, don't forget to follow and join our kitchen family for more delicious recipes. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the crispy honey garlic chicken wings. Like and follow for more delicious recipes.